Okay, so this project we have made is for physically challenged and ASL people suffering from ASL. As you know, they are not able to communicate with other people and machines. So we have made a text application for them. I'll just show you the application in just in a minute. First of all, let me tell you how we enabled it. This is the Muse headband which Himanshu is wearing, and from this headband we get brain data from brain signals, that is called EEG data. You can see this. We are able to analyze that data and figure out certain things that Himanshu does. For example, if he clenches his jaws, we can see a spike in the data. So can you clench? So we saw there's a spike in the data. Can you clench again? So there's a spike again in the data. So we can see that we are getting the data. Now let me show you the application, how we have done it. So let me just start the application. So this is our web application. You can see we have. So what we are doing is based on this signal given by Himanshu, a Boolean signal. We are selecting various things on the screen. So let's say Himanshu wants to send me a text which says hi, and he wants to create whole word. So can you select characters? So he has selected characters. He will select a row. So now he will select the letter. H is there. Then he will again select L. Can you select I? So hi. Can you now select enter? So this is automatically rotating. So can you select enter? Now this is my phone. So when he pressed enter, we are using Twilio. So there's a message. We are using Twilio app to send the messages. So you can see the message here. So here's the hi. So he sent me the text message. Now let me reply him back. He has pressed the back button. Just don't do anything for a second, Himanshu. I'll say hello. How are you? Okay. Now I send the message. Again through the Twilio app, I have sent the message. Let me show you. I'll zoom in a bit, so you can see that my message is here. Hello, how are you? There's so now can you select a phrase, Himanshu? This is done to make common phrases and make the user help him not to write all the words again. Can you select I am good? So he selected I am good. You will see that I'll receive a text. So I have received a text. Now can you go back, Himanshu? So you see I have the text I am good. So can you go back? Okay. Now can you just select the questions? Now we have compiled commonly asked questions. So maybe he can ask me how are you. Okay. So can you ask me how are you? So he selected how are you. Let me zoom in a bit if you cannot see. So I've received the text how are you. Okay. Now let us suppose there is now this is a special feature we have given. So he does not have time for writing or selecting options. He can just can you go back? No, there's an emergency. He just want to send an emergency text message. So you can just can you send the emergency? So you can see there's a emergency message there. This is a customized message. Hey, please come home. And I have received this message. So in case of emergencies, you can just with one click of a button, you can send your loved ones or your guardians or your caretakers these messages. So I think this is that's all from us.